It's all about you, actually.
Yes,
it's all about you.
It's all about you. Yun
It's
nandun.
not all about the money.
Yes.
Well, you will experience that in other clinics. That, oh, you need to do this, you need to do that, even though you don't really need it. We trusted actually scheme. So this is my first time to have the IAB drip, and at the same time, this kind of procedure. I'm really scared. Medyo takot ako talaga, pero since na I believe that the people or the staff here are highly recommended by the others, so we're here.
Yes, and you feel at home actually here. And with the doctor, which is very knowledgeable, doon ako parang na-amaze. Kasi I've been to different clinics. I've been doing some other procedures in there. Pero nung in-explain sa akin ng doktor, si Doc, and na-amaze talaga ako kasi parang, alam mo yun, yung alam na alam niya kung asan yung gusto ko. And also, may mga niresearch ako na gusto kong treatment. Pero, nung chinag ni Doc, hindi niya nirecommend sa akin. Kaya mas maganda talaga na magpa-consult sa Doc. At kasi alam niya kung ano yung nararapat para sa ating skin, sa ating features. Like yesterday, actually, wala sa isip ko yung magpa-filler. Then, nung chinek niya yung aking features, and nirecommend niya sa akin na since yung nose ko is yung nagparay na kasi ako. And then, kailangan pala yung chin ko medyo align sa aking nose. Eh, yung aking flat na gano'n. So, yun. Meron akong filler and yes, I feel more beautiful.
Yes, and confident. And yeah, for me naman, sabi ko nga, first time, lahat, hindi ako talaga nagpapagala or whatever. I want it more natural. However, of course, we need help din naman ng mga experts. And at the same time, this place, hindi ka nila talaga sasabihin na ipagawa mo.
Oh yes, it's not about money actually. Parang yung parang kung ano yung nababagay sa'yo or ano yung...
It's all about you, actually.
Yes,
it's all about you.
It's all about you. Yun
It's
nandun.
not all about the money.
Yes.
Well, you will experience that in other clinics. That, oh, you need to do this, you need to do that, even though you don't really need it. So ngayon, kung ano lang yung kailangan namin, ito yung sinasabi niya. And they will not really push you, okay, you have to take this, which is more on sales, di ba?
Oo. Kaya parang doon ako na-amaze talaga. Doon sa, hindi lang to dahil sa, alam mo yun, yung ganon. Pero, oo, yes. Pero dahil sa gusto talaga yung mapaganda ka, na ikaw talaga. Which is all about you again. So, yun.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes, and of course, you'll be coming back because bumili kami ng more packages to maintain, of course. And ito pa, yung isa kasi before that, gumagamit ako ng mga iba-ibang yung mga hyaluronic acid, mga kung ano-anong mga chemicals na nilalagay ko sa face ko. Ngayon, ang recommended ni Doc, no need. After this Cosmelan, and meron ng kit na binigay na highly recommended at patented talaga. So, he doesn't recommend at all. So, it will not break my bank or my pocket anymore. So, yun, talagang ang galing-galing ni Doc talaga. So, very, very happy.
Yes. Yeah, we are very satisfied and babalik at babalik, and we will actually, right now, nag-write ako ng review. So, and at the same time, I will spread to all my friends, to all my, let's say, kababayans na support nyo tong clinic na to kasi this is for us. Kung meron silang ibang mga clinic sa Pilipinas na talagang pupuntahan at highly recommended ng mga celebrities, we can say na hindi kami celebrities, however, we are same like you. Naghahanap kami ng place na pwede namin na maging sabihin na eto kami. It's all about us, and ito yung place na yon. And at the same time, economical yung mga prices nila. Yun yung mag-guarantee namin sa inyo.